Hey guys, Bob here, back again at Turn 4 Automotive Performance in Gray, Maine. Going to review another racing product for you guys today. Today we're going to do the Sparco Jade 2 and Jade 3 racing suits. If you want to see more stuff like this, more shop projects, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We like to cater to a lot of you guys racing. We're going to show a link in the description. We've reviewed some Zamp helmets and some brand new Zamp racing shoes. So go ahead and follow those links in the description. Check out the other racing products that we sell here at Turn 4 Automotive. Today we're going to be showing the Sparco Jade 2, Jade 3, as I said, racing suits. These are an SFI certified 3.2, which is all your fire suits, 3.2A/5. So I'm going to give you about 9 seconds to 10 seconds of fire retardant material for you. These are priced very well. Sparco stuff is, made in Italy, very good quality. This one is priced only $270 shipped to your door. SFI certified, carries the same certifications for all your racing sanctions that require a 3.2/5 or under certification. They come with a nice double stitch and cross stitch shoulder loops. In case you got to get pulled out of the vehicle in case of an accident, go ahead and we'll show you the detail here. They have the nice double stitch and cross stitch around the loops. They don't pull out, unlike some of the cheaper suits that just have single stitching along. They have a nice Velcro neck clasp and a very good Sparco embossed zipper. This zipper is very large teeth. It's very strong. It's very hard to pull apart. The zipper is also a double zipper. You can also zip up from the bottom or down from the top. A very good piece. So go ahead and fold the suit out here. I'm going to show you I'm going to skip down to the boot cuffs. If I can get it down here. There's the outside boot cuff that'll fit around. It's boot cut for your racing shoes, your high top racing shoes. It's also got an inner stretch part that goes around your leg to seal it nice and tight, keep any flames out of there for you, and help increase that fire retardancy. You can see the pleated outside. It's got a nice stitch, square pattern. The pockets are very nice, large size. Even my big hands can fit in the pockets here. Nice Velcro belt that also has the Sparco embroidered logo on it. Sparco is very proud of this suit. Lots of different logos on this suit. So we're going to come back into the zipper area where we started. You're going to see a couple Sparco logos in there, one against your neck. All the care instructions are right on the inside of the zipper, inside the seam. And inside the flap that goes over the zipper, there's also the sizing, model number, and build numbers of all this stuff. Very good products, very strong. These have a white interior, again, very soft. It's not real heavy. You get into these 2 and 3 layer suits, these /5 suits, and some of them can be real heavy. This suit is nice and light, works well. It's got a nice stretch that goes across your shoulders. Keeps it nice and tight up in the top so it's not hanging off the edge of your shoulders as some of these, out-of-the-box suits go. The custom-fitted suits don't really need this as much because it's made for your shoulder width. But these ones that are just, large, medium, small, etc., they're nice to have that in there. There's also an elasticized belt that goes all the way around the inside of it and the outside. When you pull on the Velcro belt, it does pull this all the way around the backside, keeps it nice and tight on the waist. Very good product here. If you want more information about that, follow us to our Facebook page, facebook.com/turn4automotive. We'll go ahead and show you some more images of this suit, give you some more close-up videos of it. Again, $270, Sparco Jade 2 or Jade 3 racing suit. Thank you for watching and have an excellent day.